McShay here has written. Really great new addition to our Unity song list here.
Can you see it now? Can you see it?
It's called Live in Me. Help us, we're gonna hum it in.
I want to grow in the light of the Spirit's name. I'm praying for the world to heal again. A simple way of living that we all need to give. We are here right now singing praises to you, opening our hearts with all we do. A simple way of living for me and you. Live in me, give me love and peace, heal me, so I can release the fear inside my heart. Live in me, live in me, so that I can see into me without worry as I drink the milk of your word. Live in me.
Grow in the light of the Spirit's name. I'm praying for the world to heal again. A simple way of living we all need to give. We are here right now singing praises to you, opening our hearts with all we do. A simple way of living for me and you. Live in me, give me love and peace, heal me, so I can release the fear inside my heart. Live in me, so that I can see into me without hurry as I drink the milk of your word. Live in me,
Give me love and peace, heal me, so I can release the fear inside my heart. Live in me, so that I can see into me without